Watermelon is around 90% water, which makes it useful for staying hydrated in the summer. Have you ever wondered what gives watermelon its signature red or pink color? If not, then we will tell you in this video. So take a glass of juice and watch the video till the end. Friends, watermelon is packed with water and nutrients that contain very few calories and is exceptionally refreshing. It is loaded with citrulline. But which color pigment is responsible for its color? The answer lies in a natural pigment called lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant and a type of carotenoid, which is responsible for the rich red, pink, or even orange hues in various fruits and vegetables. You will be glad to know that lycopene is not just found in watermelon. It is also the pigment that colors tomatoes, pink grapefruits, and red peppers. This compound plays a crucial role in giving these fruits their appealing appearance. So, the next time you enjoy a juicy slice of watermelon, you will know that it is the lycopene working behind the scenes that makes your favorite summer treat look as good as it tastes. If you think our video has added some valuable knowledge to your knowledge bank, then do not leave the video without subscribing to it. Thank you.